Got this little kitty a few months back. He was the nicest little kitty, now I'm painting my crack. This little kitty is a ninja, always stalking my feet. This little kitty is a warrior, you know what that means. He's an evil little kitty, look what he did to my hand. Tries to get in trouble in any way that he can. I could give this cat a toy, but he'd rather have the rapper, and I always give Sparta. Hey, little Sparta, what is with all the fight? Little bitty kitty wanna bite, bite, bite. Hey, little Sparta, what is with all the fight? Little bitty kitty wanna bite, bite, bite. Hey, little Sparta, what is with all the fight? Little bitty kitty wanna bite, bite, bite. Hey, little Sparta, what is with all the fight? Little bitty kitty wanna bite. Where'd you go? Are you stalking me? Are you under the couch, quite possibly ears laid back so you don't get caught? Ready to punch my leg with everything that you got? I know you're probably watching me from across the room, concentrating, contemplating on attacking me soon. You're not invisible, kitty, I'm gonna find you first. Come out before I make things worse. I've seen where you hide, and I know where you've been. Hey kitty, why don't you give in? Even if you try to sneak up on me, I'm prepared, cause I got my safety gear on and I know you're making noises just to mess with my head. You can stop me all you want, but what is with all the fight? Little bitty kitty wanna fight, fight, fight. Sparta, what is with all the fight? Come on out, I'm gonna get you now. I've got him cornered, and now he's mine. He's not gonna get away this time. I'll snatch him up fast before he can blink, and then, aw man, he's asleep in the sink. What is with this cat? I'm confused. He's got a bed, but it's never been used. In every waking moment, Kitty's out for the fight. Then, next minute, Kitty's out like a light. How could I let this little creature inside my home? I gotta keep an eye on him when I'm on the phone. I'm a little